Today's word is decree. What does it mean? How to use it? What's the difference between a decree and an order? Let's look at these and more. Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of vocabulary videos, we're going to look at individual words or phrases and discuss around 6 aspects: pronunciation, meaning, the primary use, using the word or phrase in a sentence, a few relevant questions, if any, and some synonyms, again, if any. Let's start. How do you pronounce it? It's decree. The second syllable, cree, is stressed, which means the first is not stressed. Decree. What does it mean? It means an official order that has the force of law. For example, a presidential decree, a judicial order. As an action word, we can use this to command, order, or decide by a decree. This is normally used in law. Of course, it's also used as a humor term in other areas as well, especially domestic. Let's see how it's practically used. India has abolished the special status in Kashmir through a presidential decree. We can also use decree as a verb and say, the president decreed that the special status of Kashmir be abolished. Another one. English was made the official language of India through a presidential decree in 1960. As a verb, we can say, in 1960, the president decreed that English be made the official language of India. Note, it's English be made the official language of India. Be, not is. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and get such videos regularly. Also, don't forget to use these words in your daily conversations. That's the only way you can make these words to your list of active vocabulary. You've got to own it to use it. Now let's look at some relevant questions. First, what does decree mean in law? A decree is an order handed down by a judge settling the issues in a case before the court. Second question, what's the difference between a decree and an order? Well, an order is a final decision in a case. There can be several orders in one case. It deals with the procedural rights of the parties. On the other hand, a decree can be a preliminary or the final decision of the court. There can be maximum 2 decrees in any case, preliminary or final. What's the difference between a decree and a judgment? A judgment is based on the facts of the case and is given at the end of the case. It talks about the issues involved, the evidence produced, and the findings of the court. But the decree comes after the judgment. It is based on the judgment. It contains the rights and liabilities of the parties involved. Therefore, broadly, the decree is the operative part of a judgment. Now let's look at some synonyms. Well, there can't be a synonym for decree in law. In spoken English, we can use the following words in place of decree: ruling, edict, order, directive, judgment. Now, we can also say the word. My wife said I should reach home by 9 o'clock. That was the word. Wow. The riot act. You read a riot act to somebody. You go late and your boss read the riot act to you. It means to chastise loudly or issue a severe warning. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.